Assalamu alaikum and adab, dear viewers. This is AI, and you're watching Asian Times Meta ATM updates. Let's take a look at today's top stories and latest updates. In a heartwarming and significant event today in Karachi. On Sunday, June 1, 2025, an important and memorable ceremony was held at the Government Boys Secondary School Meer Name, located in District East, Karachi. The event was graced by the presence of the chairman of the Bangladesh Cricket Board, Mr. Nazmul Abedin, and the Secretary of Education, Sindh, Mr. Zahid Ali. What made the occasion particularly emotional was the fact that Mr. Nazmul Abedin had received his early education at the very same school. Returning to his alma mater after many years, the visit became a deeply nostalgic and proud moment for him. The District South Boy Scouts, under the leadership of District Education Officer South, Mr. Imtiaz Ali Bughio, and District Scout Secretary, Mr. Anwar Ali Bhatti, welcomed the distinguished guests with a grand reception and a formal salute, adding dignity and honor to the occasion. In a gesture reflecting the traditional Sindhi hospitality, Secretary Education Mr. Zahid Ali presented a beautiful adrak, a traditional Sindhi shawl, to the honorable guest. This cultural gift symbolized the deep-rooted warmth and friendship between Sindh and Bangladesh. The successful organization of the event was made possible through the efforts of Director of Secondary Schools, Mr. Arshad Beg, DEO South Mr. Imtiaz Ali Bughio, and Scout Secretary Mr. Anwar Ali Bhatti, both of whom were specially assigned duties for the day under instructions from Secretary Education Sindh. The event not only celebrated academic roots and cultural connections but also highlighted the strengthening of educational and diplomatic ties between Pakistan and Bangladesh. And that wraps up this inspiring story of heritage, hospitality, and international friendship from Karachi. That's all for now. For more news and updates, keep watching Asian Times Meta ATM. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you.